In this short tutorial, I will show how to delete your Mobile Legends account on an iPhone. Deleting your Mobile Legends account is a straightforward process that can be done through the game settings. To get started, tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the account option. Then tap on the account center button on the right side. And then tap Cancel Account. That will open the default web browser on your device and take you to this web page. What you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom, put a check mark here, and tap on the Next button. And then scroll down again, put a check mark here, and tap on the Next button. Next, you need to log into the account associated with the game account. I'm going to select the Moon Ton account. Then enter the login credentials. And then complete the verification process by entering the characters shown below. And then tap the login button. What you want to do next is check the inbox of the email associated with the game account and find the verification code they sent you. You need to type that code here. Tap Login. Then select the account that you want to delete. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Next. Then you need to put check marks on all of these. Finally, tap on the Confirm to Cancel button to delete your Mobile Legends account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.